In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build mind map Miro. To get started, open Miro in your web browser and go to a board where you want to create your mind map. This can be a new board or an existing one. Once the board loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the main canvas area, since that is where you will place and edit your content. If your board feels busy, you can zoom in a little so it is easier to see what you are doing. Next, you will click on Highlight. In Miro, this tool is used to draw attention to important content on the canvas. It is useful when you are planning a mind map because it helps you visually mark the main idea or the area where you want the mind map to begin. When you select Highlight, your cursor will change to show that the tool is active. Move your mouse over the canvas and position it where you want your mind map content to live. Now type in Highlight. With the Highlight tool selected, you will enter the text you want to appear. This is where you can start with a clear central topic, such as the name of a project, a meeting theme, or a goal you are mapping out. Keep your wording short and specific, because this text will act as a visual anchor for what comes next. If you are having trouble reading the text, zoom in slightly and try again so your typing feels precise. As you type, focus on clarity. Use a simple phrase rather than a full sentence, and avoid extra punctuation. If you make a mistake, pause and correct it right away so your canvas stays clean and easy to follow later. Also, place your highlighted text with enough space around it because a mind map usually grows outward and you will want room for related ideas. Once you have your highlighted text in place, you have established a clear starting point on the board, which makes it much easier to build the rest of your mind map structure around it. That covers everything you need to know.